Okay, just some tips for using the Blender file. Here, after you load the file, obstacle_run.blend, you'll see a view like this. Then I suggest you go to the top view, so there will be backtick top, then shift and move that in. Then you can click on, there's three cameras. The top view is the standard camera. Then there's a robot camera. You can left click on the robot camera, hit G to grab it, Shift Z to limit it to the Z plane so that you just translate it around. Then you can drop your robot somewhere. You can hit R, Z to rotate it. And then right click to set the active camera, and then hit F12 to render the view. Now this will take some time. Actually, it already has it after a couple of samples, but it's trying to be very meticulous. And then you can click on image, and after it's finished rendering, you can save your image. Then, after you get the image from the camera, you can click on the robot top camera, select it, and then right-click Set Active Camera, which will give you a top-down view of the camera. And then you can also render that scene. Or render shows up in a different environment. So this would be the most important keys for how to use the Blender if you've never used it before.